If you entered 2020 thinking that the year would bring new and unforgettable experiences, you were absolutely right. Once the lockdown was announced, the global panic happened and the world was challenged with a situation no one was really prepared for. What used to be a simple errand became an impossible mission. Everything was gone. Groceries were nowhere to be found, including milk, flour, fruit, and vegetables. And, obviously, toilet paper. And while most stores were struggling, Tommy was already a step ahead. In early 2020, the largest grocery chain in Dalmatia joined forces with Locastic to transfer its shopping experience to the digital world. This is the story of how Tommy stayed in touch with their customers during the global isolation. In the traditional Dalmatian dialect, Spiza has two meanings, but in Tommy's case, Spiza meant digital transformation. This time around, it wasn't about writing tens of thousands of lines of code, it was taking an established national brand and transforming their business. So we solved precisely 35 business cases, mostly focused on user experience, database logic, performance. After 10 days of project discovery, we had only 6 weeks to develop and launch the mobile app. Then, Tommy Spiza came to life. Ha! Just kidding, it wasn't that easy. First, let me explain how Spiza works. After downloading the app, the user chooses their delivery method and fills the shopping cart. Customers can add favorites out of 6,000 available products and build shared shopping lists with their friends and family. Once the order is completed, shoppers can choose if they want to pick up groceries or have them delivered to their doorstep. Neat, isn't it? To allow more cities to use the delivery feature, Locastic developed a Glovo integration in less than 2 weeks and brought Spiza to more homes. But there's more than meets the eye. The hardest challenge was to sync prices and availability for 6,000 products in real time for every Tommy store across the country. Thanks to our API mastermind, Goran, we managed to reduce that process to less than 3 minutes, 95% faster than before. So by the time you've watched this video, 6,000 products have already been updated. The other challenge was correctly charging weighted products, like fruits or vegetables. 1 kilogram of bananas is never 1 kilogram of bananas, but you can't leave any space for errors. That challenge was solved by adding a weighing margin, and thanks to that, we were able to buy some time and charge the exact amount for that order. 4 months after the app launched, Spiza was upgraded to a desktop version, along with the redesign of their corporate website. Today, Tommy users can order food from any location and any device. Once the app was out, the orders started coming in, but after a few months, the hype slowly faded. Tommy's store in Solon was doing a great job as expected, but they wanted to boost sales in other cities as well. Once again, Locastic was in charge of solving the issue. Aside from creative social media content, surveys, and video tutorials, we launched 17 advertising campaigns on Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads. The results were clear. Spiza was back on track, but let's leave the numbers to speak for themselves. This completely reshaped the buying experience for their customers. And now, the product is not known as Spiza. It's called Tommy.